When we were defining exponential functions, we did try to find out the derivative of a to the power x, okay, a general exponential function. And that came out to be something like, ax into some function of a, which was essentially the derivative at 0, okay, the derivative at 0. This is what we got as a result. Now, using log, we will try to find out the derivative of ex, and we will actually figure out what this g of a exactly is, okay. Now, a to the power x. Now, a is some number. A is some number. Now, any number is same as e to the power natural log of a, because inverse will cancel out each other and only a will remain, okay. So, a is nothing but e to the power ln a. So, I have just substituted that fact here. So, a is nothing but e to the power ln a whole to the power x. Whole to the power x. What will that give me? What will that give me? So, what I have is that e to the power ln a whole to the power x. So, that will essentially give me that these two powers get multiplied. So, I have e to the power x ln a. This is x is getting multiplied with ln a, okay. Now, d by dx of ax will essentially be d by dx of this fact, okay, d by dx of this figure. So, d by dx of e to the power x ln a, what will that be? What do you think it will be? So, I have e to the power something. Now, e to the power something I know is same as, okay, this we are looking at ax, d by dx of ax will be e to the power this. Now, e to the power anything, the derivative of it is same, okay. But what is happening here is that I have ln a getting multiplied with x. So, I will have to use something else also. For example, if you have e to the power 2x and when you try to find out the derivative, it is e to the power 2x multiplied by the derivative of 2x or d by dx of 2x, which is the constant 2. So, similarly the constant, this is a constant, ln a is a constant, it's a logarithm of a number, it will be a constant, so it comes out as it is. Using the chain rule, it will always come out. So, this becomes ln a to the power x, okay, ln a to the power x. So, this ln a is essentially that function of a. This ln a is essentially that function of a that gets multiplied to ax, okay. If you don't understand it right now, please try to go back to the video in which I explained what is this g of a exactly is, okay. You will be able to figure it out. So, for example, the same example of 2 to the power x. So, when we are trying to find out 2 to the power x, we had the derivative equal to 2 to the power x into g2, and g2 will be nothing else but log 2. Log 2 is 0.693, and that's what this, for every value of x, for every value of x, the derivative of it will equal to 2 to the power x into this fraction 0.693, 0.693, almost 0.7, okay. So, this will be the fraction getting multiplied. So, whatever the derivative is, it is a little lesser than 2 to the power x for every x.